Hey guys, it's Harmony Skillman and I'm here on the MSC Seascape and we are in the owner's suite in the yacht club, room 1901, and we just arrived. This room is amazing. I cannot wait to show it to you. This is perfect for a family of 4. We're gonna check it out, we're gonna look around. It's over 1,000 square feet. We're in Miami, we're heading out on a 4-night cruise to Nassau and Ocean Key. And we are so excited to be here. We just had a beautiful lunch in the yacht club restaurant. There's so many amazing yacht club amenities, but this room is the biggest suite that they have here on the ship. And we're gonna start here in the living room. And actually there's a little kitchenette here with lots of storage. And there's a mini fridge, which let's see what it's stocked with. Ooh, we've got some waters and soft drinks and iced teas. And it looks like up here in the mini bar, the wines are complimentary. But the spirits do come with a small charge. There's a paper over there letting us know what that would be. We have some other big bottles here. And then we have the Nespresso maker, which you know I love. And then we have a nice place to sit so that when we want to order room service, which is included with your yacht club stay, and there's some cookies with my daughter's name on it. Coming into the living room here, we have a television, of course, a little desk area, some more storage. And then we have this beautiful view. This is the front of the ship. And then we have a couch that pulls out and a couple chairs for relaxing. So this is where the 3rd and 4th guests will be sleeping. Over here, I do want to show, we have our champagne chilling. This is part of the yacht club. You get a bottle of something on embarkation. And then let's check out the balcony. This has got a whirlpool tub here on the balcony. And then we do have some nice chairs. We have 2 loungers and 2 sitting chairs. And it is covered, which our family doesn't love. We prefer to be in the sun, but it is nice if you're going to be in a hot destination. So I'm going to check out the view. Again, we're still here in the port of Miami. And we have all our towels too, in case we want to take a whirlpool. All right, we're gonna watch our step here. We're gonna head this way into the primary bedroom, which has a king bed. And on the way there, we're gonna hit up this really nice dressing room. I'm trying to put some lights on here, where you have a lot of outlets for charging. Looks like there's some more storage. Oh, hair dryer in here. And just a nice vanity area to get ready, along with a closet of shelves. And next we gotta check out the primary bedroom, which is obviously amazing. You cannot beat these views. We have a king size bed here, and then we have the most amazing views in the front of the ship and a nice area to kind of lounge and watch the sea go by. This unit actually only has 1 bathroom, so we're gonna go look at that quickly. This has a shower and a tub. I mean, for a cruise ship, usually the bathrooms are so tiny. This is really nice, really good size. We have a stand-up shower and a full tub, a toilet and sink. When we sailed, and we have some robes here. When we sailed last year on the Grandiosa, we had a duplex suite, which actually did offer 2 bathrooms and 2 levels. But this ship class, this is the Seascape, which is the same ship as the Seaview and the something else. Seashore, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
And now we're having an announcement, so we're going to cut this video short.
And we want to let you know that your cabins are now ready. And also, in 10 minutes' time is our amazing cruise and travel show, where we're going to give you some insights.
Okay, the captain's announcement has finished, because I do want to let you know how you can book this. I'm Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel. I know all the cruise lines, all the ships. I don't charge any fees for trips like this. I love cruising. I help you with every aspect of your cruise. I'm Harmony at yourparadisevacation.com. And from the blog Mama to Go, I have a great recap article about everything Yacht Club. I'd love to get you booked. This is, to me, the best value at sea. I mean, if I'm paying for it for my family, it's good enough for my family. I know it's going to be a great vacation for your family, or for a couple, or this would be an amazing honeymoon. Grab a couple friends, you'd be in the hot tub. You don't have to leave your suite. I just love it. It's going to be great. The service is fantastic. the yacht club, we have butler service 24/7. You don't wait in any lines. You have a dedicated restaurant, dedicated lounge, dedicated pool, which is so great. We'll show you some more of that in the rest of this video, but again, this is the owner suite on the MSC Seascape, and I'm Harmony Skillman, your favorite Paradise agent at Paradise Travel. Thank you. Bye, friends.